Wait, what?
No.
I'm pregnant again?
No, so
I'll be like, God, what you doing to me?
The only reason that man loves me is because I cook for him. So I gotta remind him that I can still cook for him even though I'm trying to be healthy. Good morning. Can you say good morning? Oh, bless you. Good morning, guys. In my workout gear, because just finished up week 3 of the 6-week program that I'm doing. Sunday, which is today, is normally a rest day, but Friday we went to a crab feed for Jonathan's work. And I was very proud of myself. I did not fill up on carbs or anything. I had all the self-control and I just focused on the crab. Because of that, I didn't work out on Friday, so you know, we were a day behind and we used today as a catch-up. Jonathan's been doing the workouts with me. So it's been really great. Today, we're just at home right now. It's Super Bowl Sunday, but let's be honest, we are not big football fans, but we are fans of commercials and halftime shows. So that is something to look forward to. But right now, the girls are just, Jonathan's giving the dogs a bath because, boy, they stank. Like, how often do other dog owners give their pets baths? Because we be slacking, and because it's raining, they're a little stinkier. But anyway, the girls are just hanging out, gonna make breakfast in a little bit, kind of decide if I'm gonna have a shake or eat breakfast food. New dilemma, because I'm getting really used to the shakes and I actually really love them. What's happening here? What are you guys doing?
Thing?
What is that?
And a camera.
Camera?
Yeah.
You have a camera?
Yeah, I do have that.
Oh, I see it. You see that?
Yeah. Smile, Leah. I'm gonna watch Dun Dun Dun.
Dun dun dun.
Yeah.
For the record, when Zay says dun dun dun, she means the vlog. She wants to watch the vlog. You know, dun dun dun. That's what she calls it.
Hello.
Oh my god.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Hello.
Ah! Look at your curly hair.
Hello.
And why is your shirt unbuttoned?
Huh? Hello.
Oh my god. So, Jonathan's done giving the dogs a bath. And I haven't made breakfast in a while. It's been, what, like 3 weeks since I've started this program. So I haven't actually made breakfast in a while. I've just been having the shakes and I've been giving him either a shake or I've been giving him something easy like yogurt or like cereal or something, or like a fried egg and toast. So I've decided while he's in the shower, I'm gonna start I'm gonna do my own version of a Benedict. I poached some eggs the other day for the first time, so I'm gonna do a turkey and spinach Benedict, and a little makeshift because I don't have an English muffin, we just have little bagels. But really, the new thing for me will be making a hollandaise sauce. So I'm gonna do that right now. I am separating, oh you can't see it and my hands are dirty. I'm separating the whites from the yolk. So let's see how this goes. I will say, the only reason that man loves me is because I cook for him. So I gotta remind him that I can still cook for him even though I'm trying to be healthy. So we're gonna make some sort of modified version of an Eggs Benedict with whatever ingredients we got at home. I mean, I guess that's what you do, right? So I wasn't paying attention from the first batch, so I kind of overcooked my things that Jonathan still hasn't guessed what I'm doing.
Kind of like her favorite Switch game right there.
Overcooked. Excuse me. I did. I was doing too many things. I needed a second player.
Yeah, I'm here now. But
you're not gonna help me. Liar.
Well, I didn't see what you were doing to the food back then, so
why did you guess? I heard your guess. Why did you guess that?
I thought she was doing Eggs Benedict because earlier this week, while I was at work, she sent me a text showing me that she did, what is it? Basically an egg.
A poached egg. I sent him my poached egg when I was home.
We'll put it somewhere here if we can dig it up from her phone. And literally, that just came to mind, and I was like, okay. She knows.
Back on my poached egg. It was
but
rude.
She knows.
I sent him the
Egg
picture
Benedict
being all
is
like,
my favorite.
look at
So
my poached
Egg
egg,
Benedict
babe.
is my favorite, and she did a poached egg this week. So you know, it's 1 + 1 should equal 2.
If I loved you.
Exactly. If she loved me. She does love me, guys. Oh my God, this looks amazing. So it's basically ham hollandaise sauce with spinach and broccoli tots. Last week we've been eating some cauliflower tots, and I didn't even know we had this, so I'm excited to try this. I already tried the hollandaise sauce; it's on point. And Zayana wants to show her food too. Okay, what is it? What do you got? Some eggs. You got some ham, and you got some tots. All right.
Eggs and salami.
Okay, are you ready to eat? All right.
You can play.
Oh, let's pray. Okay.
Finally, out of the house. I don't know what's happening with my nose, but we are leaving the house now. Oh my God, my nose. And we are going to a surprise baby shower. Yeah. Very exciting. One of Jonathan's bestest friends is having twins.
Twins.
So, oh my gosh, can you
bless their
imagine?
souls.
Yes, Lord, please help. Bless them, because 2 is a blessing. But I can't imagine what that's like. So, we're on our way there. We're hoping to make it before the surprise happens. The girls were supposed to go down for a nap before, but they didn't. So, let's see how exciting they will be at the party and how happy they will be. I'm only hoping for the best.
Joe and Pam are on their way over from their house, and they live like less than 5 minutes away. So they'll be here any second. Are you ready? Are you ready to get a surprise? Yeah. All right. I think they're coming.
He doesn't want me touching. What do you guys think? One more?
No.
One more.
Oh my God. Alright guys, we are home. The girls are asleep, and it was a long day. We had a lot of fun.
Yeah, the girls did not take naps. They
Basically.
literally partied all afternoon.
Yeah.
It was so
We tried to put them down, but
for them,
they weren't having it.
we were just like watching the Super Bowl and hanging out.
Yeah.
And they were just like eating. Zay was just like playing with all, like this kitchen thing the whole time.
Yep.
Leah was just eating everything. Somebody gave her a donut.
She was eating everything.
Like a full donut, and we're like, where did you get this donut?
Every time I saw her, she was eating a donut. She was eating like some other desserts, and every time I looked at her, somebody kept feeding her like all these desserts.
And people were like, oh, do you want a cookie? And I'm like, why do people keep feeding my child? They're like, oh, it's okay, we're at a party, mommy. And I'm like,
gosh.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
She's gonna be on a sugar rush.
Oh, we had a lot of fun.
But it was fun. And I rubbed the belly.
Yes, we both
And
did.
I just remembered
Someone
how
has
much
baby
I
fever now.
love being pregnant. I do. Is that weird? I love being pregnant. Well, one, I'm already round, so I love having a reason to be round. It's just like, check me out, I'm round, and now I'm pregnant, and you can't judge me for being round. So I do really like that. I miss, like, and I love that the baby's inside, and you can like feel the kicking and the movement. It's just so exciting.
Can any of you have mothers out there or past mothers relate to that?
I want to be pregnant. And Jonathan's like, no.
I'm ready to go make sure nothing happens. Go to the hospital and get some sort of procedure done.
And I was telling him the other day at work, I met this lady who I thought was like in her early 30s. Turned out she was in her late 40s. And then she tells me, she's like, well, I have a 2-month-old. And I'm like, wow. And she's like, I also have a 9-year-old and a 15-year-old. And I'm like, oh. And she's like, yeah, I started young. I'm like, oh, I did too. But I'm also still young because my babies are little. And then I was like, so your baby accident? And she's like, yeah. And I'm like, oh, I totally think that's gonna happen to us. Like, I told her that, and I told Jonathan this story yesterday. I'm like, I totally think that's going to happen. Like, we're gonna be like 40 and the girls are gonna be teenagers, and we're gonna be like, oh my god, yes, we have teenagers, we're almost done. Everyone else around us has little babies because everyone started later. And then we're gonna be like, wait, what?
No. I'm pregnant again?
No, so
I'll be like, God, what you doing to me?
No, I'm gonna give it a time limit. So my whole goal was for us to have kids and by the time we're 50, our kids will be at least 18 to 20, and you know, we can just relax.
That means we have 4 years to have.
We have 4 years. So, oh, there you go. 4 years. If nothing happens in 4 years, then maybe one of us will have to go to the hospital and get something done.
I'm not going to the hospital to get nothing done.
Because
I've already gone to the hospital twice and gave you the most amazing human beings on the planet.
It's not a lie. So maybe I'll sacrifice it.
So
if I could be happy and young.
Yeah, right. You could barely be sick.
Oh God, I know.
You could barely have a cold. You could barely have a headache.
All right, but
imagine him going to the hospital.
Okay, all right. That's why there's pain medications.
That's what I say, and I don't even use it.
But we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys,
I can't. I'm rolling my eyes all the way back.
If you guys like the vlog, hit that like.
He's just trying to trick you guys into thinking he's gonna be the one to get it.
We'll see.
We'll see, as in, I bet you he won't. And we're gonna have a 3rd child when we're 40. We'll
see. If you guys like the vlog, hit that thumbs up button. If you guys are new, be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
And it's just a little bit forward, and then oh, she got it.
I'm going backwards.
You wanted me earlier.